The Ninja Blast Portable Blender is a game changer for those always on the move. With its powerful 7.4V rechargeable base, this cordless blender blends anywhere. It's perfect for smoothies, protein shakes, or frozen drinks. Thanks to Ninja Blast technology, it crushes ice and frozen ingredients with ease. The stainless steel BlastBlade assembly creates a vortex that delivers smooth, even blends every time. Whether you're at the gym, office, or park, this blender is built for on-the-go lifestyles. Ninja includes everything you need to get started. It comes with two 18-ounce blending vessels, great for individual servings. Each vessel features a one-handed, easy-open sip lid, so you can blend and drink from the same cup. There's also a hinged carry handle for convenience. Safety is also a priority. With a blade cover and a vessel cap included, storage is secure and simple. No more mess, no extra containers. Using the Ninja Blast is effortless. Separate power and blend buttons mean no accidental starts. Plus, it's easy to clean. The vessels and lids are dishwasher-safe and BPA-free. For quick cleaning, a 30-second self-clean cycle does the job with just water and dish soap. It's efficient, fast, and ready for the next blend. The USB-C charging cable adds modern convenience to the mix. Charge it anywhere, anytime. This compact blender packs power and portability into one sleek package. It's ideal for busy mornings, workouts, or travel. With smart features and thoughtful design, the Ninja Blast Portable Blender stands out from the crowd. For those looking for smooth blends on the go, this device delivers performance and style without the cord. It's truly blending without limits.